Hello and welcome. Now in this video what we're going to do is we're going to add in a video host other than YouTube or Vimeo. And to do that we're just going to go straight to a course content page where we've already started the content creation process. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to edit the course. I'm going to manage my course content. And we've got a course that we've started here, and we've got one lecture. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up this lecture. And one of the things you'll notice is that this lecture has course content. Now obviously what you're going to see here is that we're using the video player from Easy Web Video. Now the thing about using this particular video host is that you'll notice here that it has the extension for MP4. That means then that you can do it. Now if I were to change this to a different video host, let's say that I were to want to use searching. If I were to place that video URL here and I were to try to save it, then Coursefunnels is not going to let me save that particular video because it does not have any of the extensions. You'll see OGG, WebM, and MP4. Those are the only 4 extensions that you can have if you're going to use a host other than Vimeo or YouTube. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to replace that with a Vimeo from Easy Web Video, and you're going to notice here that it has that extension MP4. I'm going to put it in this video content type. I'm going to save the content, and then I'm going to save the changes in my entire course. So I'm going to go here to the more, I'm going to click preview, and then here's my lecture with Easy Video Player. So I'm not going to play the entire thing, but you'll see that it is playing here and that this video will actually work inside of the courseware. Okay, so if you have another video host other than Vimeo or YouTube, you can use it as long as it has any of the extensions that Coursefunnels will allow. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.